Today I got amazing dupes for you, lots of savings, and I'm gonna show you how easy I made all these beautiful high-end looks home decor. Welcome my darlings, I am C and this is CJ DIY. Amazing video, part of amazing collab. We're gonna talk about that in a little bit. I saw these beautiful end tables from Wayfair and the price was $700. Little bit pricey, right? So we're gonna make my own version. I grabbed 4 of those salad bowls from Dollar Tree, $1.25 each, and I decided I'm gonna make 2 side end tables and see if we're gonna make them look similar like the one that we saw at Wayfair. So I'm gonna remove the price tags on the bottom on the balls first. Next, I'm grabbing 2 of those balls, and on one of them I'm gonna fill them up with those stones from Dollar Tree just to make some heavy surface. And now those 2 balls I'm gonna connect them together with the cement glue also from Dollar Tree. Now that those 2 balls are glued together, we're gonna add the other 2 balls. One is gonna go on the bottom and another one is gonna go on top. If that makes sense, you know what I'm talking about. We're just making the table to look like the one that we saw in the pictures, if that makes sense. For the one that we're gonna add on top, we're also gonna add stones on it. So because we like those tables to be heavy, and I'm gonna be using them for outdoor this year, and I think it's gonna be just perfect. I would suggest anything heavy that you have at home, stones, sands, anything you can fill out those plastic bowls because it's a plastic, to make it nice and sturdy. Now on top, I'm gonna be adding a wood glue because I'm gonna be adding one of those rounds. I got those rounds from Michael's. They came as a set for $5, so it was like $2.50 each. I added on top. I made the second ball, and here how it looks. I took them outside and I'm gonna spray paint them with a black spray paint. I got those spray paints in my crafting stash, so I didn't spend anything for them. I have them since last year. I always grab a couple of them just to make sure I got enough for crafting. And now I'm just gonna spray paint the whole table with it, one and then the second one as well. And here they are, how they look so far. I let them dry for a good 30 minutes. I was so happy. This was the first day that we have a nice weather finally in Ohio. And now when they're all nice and dry, I'm gonna be adding this marble spray. I got that spray from Amazon for like $12 and some change. And look at this effect. I am in love with this spray. This is a miracle. I mean, there is so many different effects that you can work on and get the marble look, but I think this spray is priceless. You don't need to do anything else. You just spray it over and it looks just, it was made out of marble. I bring the camera closer so you can see all that beautiful marble effect, and I am in love with it. Let me know, what do you think? I am in love with these tables. I just want to hear it from you if you like them as well. Not just for outdoor, you can use those tables for indoor for your family room, but I decide that I'm gonna use mine for my patio for this summer. I think they're just perfect. getting next to my chairs. I can add some drinks, I can add some food, some magazines, I can even decorate them. You gotta let me know, what do you think? And I don't think you can beat this price. Both of them total of $15 versus $1,400 for both from Wayfair. And I think they're just perfect. I'm just keep saying how much I love them, but I really do. Today, I'm super excited that I'm a part of this The Look for Less 2.0 challenge, open challenge, and I'm hosting together with my darling friend Zulia from Zulia G. This time, this month, our guest host is my darling, amazing friend Miguel from Miguelitos DIY, and so many talented creators in this amazing playlist. The playlist is pinned in my comments and in my description box. Also, the channels from Zulia and Miguel's are in my description box. If you haven't visited them by now, please do so and show them lots of love. And also, so many talented creators, so much inspirations today. I love these Look for Less challenges. Originally, Yami from the Latina Next Door was hosting it, and I was always part of it, so I missed that. I can't wait for her to come back. But for now, we're gonna have this the Look for Less 2.0 open challenge. So if you're a creator, you're welcome to join us, and we're gonna do this every third month. So the next one will be in August. And everyone is welcome to join us and have fun. We have so much fun, so many darling, amazing friends, and so many talented creators. These days, the colored glass are in style. And look at this beautiful vase from Horchow. And they're selling it for $200, and it's on sale for $150. No way, I can make mine from Dollar Tree items. I grabbed this vase from Dollar Tree. First, I'm gonna clean it well with the alcohol. I'm just gonna wipe it off so I don't have any fingerprints on it. And then I'm gonna mix a Mod Podge, and I'm gonna add a food color, yellow food color. I got those two kinds in my stash, and I'm gonna use the liquid one. And now I'm gonna mix it with my Mod Podge until I got the yellow color, so I can apply it on my vase and see if I can make this vase look similar like the one that I saw that I like from Horchow. Now that I mix it well, I'm gonna apply with the brush. First, I give one coat and going over the vase until I cover it all. And I thought I'm gonna need two coats, but you're gonna see the result at the end. So I'm just applying slowly. Doesn't need to be perfect. You can even have a brush strokes. It doesn't matter as long as you cover it all with this yellow with the Mod Podge. Just going just like that. And now that I had it all covered, I'm gonna let it dry. And I thought I'm gonna do a second coat, but look how it looks only with one coat. It's just perfect, like from the picture we saw. I'm gonna add those glass stones also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna add them not in order. I'm just gonna glue them with the cement glue until my whole vase is covered with them. Super simple, easy DIY, but it only cost me $2.50. You can't beat that versus that $150, right? Let me know, what do you think? And if you're gonna remake some of those creations that I made today. And if you do, I would love to see them. You can always contact me through my Instagram or through my email, and I would love to share them with everybody. While you watching me, finishing this vase, I would like to say thank you so much for your always amazing support, for your sweetest comments and watching my videos. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate and love each and every one of you. And after it's all complete and dry, this is how it looks. Let me know if you like it and if you like this color, or you can always add different food color and make a different color of vases. And I really like how it came out. I saw this beautiful marble art piece from Wayfair for $139.99, but I'm gonna give it a try, my own version. I got a round canvas, I painted black. They came out as a set for $5. I got them from 5 and below. And now after I painted black, I'm adding that marble spray going around first. And this is what I got so far. Next, I grab a bowl, I fill it out with the water, and I'm gonna add all kinds of different colors. Nail polishes. You guys, if you like to get that special marble effect, you can add that glossy nail polish. I got those in my stash. You can always find those nail polishes at Dollar Tree. So any color that I found, I added maybe 5-6 different colors. So I'm just going around, as you can see, playing with the water, adding a cream nail polish, golden, silver, whatever I found. First, I thought I'm gonna cover it with a canvas, but it didn't fit. Actually, the water wasn't full enough. So before I fill it out again, I just go around the sides, as you can see, so we don't waste the nail polish, and to get that marble effect look and see how it's gonna work. And I like it so far. And now, as you can see, the middle part is not covered yet because I didn't have water enough. Now I'm going again and adding the same nail polishes, golden paint that I have, and I'm gonna go around again so I can get that marble look. This is such an easy way to do, but you make sure that the whole water can cover your surface that you want to cover it, if that makes sense. Just going around, make sure I cover it all, and then I fill out the bowl for more water, as you can see, adding more nail polishes. And now, simple as that, I'm adding that golden paint. That paint is from Folk Art. And now that's it. Look how cute it looks. Not even 5 minutes and we have a beautiful wall art piece. Let me know, what do you think? And if you're gonna try this effect, you can use it on vases, you can use it in any kind of crafting material you got, and you can get a beautiful art piece, different colors. That doesn't mean to be those colors that I use, just whatever taste you got. And I think it's so beautiful. I think this is beautiful even to give it to someone as a gift. And here is my total cost versus their total. $25.49 versus $989.99. And don't forget to check out the amazing playlist. Link is pinned also in my description box. Amazing Zulia, my friend, I love you. And Miguel, thank you. Until next time, my darlings, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Blessings. Bye-bye.